Good morning, grade 2Bs. I hope that you have all had a really good sleep and that you are ready for our maths and English lesson today. So I would like to start our lesson today with our English part of the lesson. Okay, that means you will need to go to your textbook pages, your English textbook pages. Can you please take page 33 and page 34? Okay, so what you need to do today is we need to read this Rain at the Park story and then answer the questions. I'm going to read it to you. It is called Rain at the Park. Jill and Kate, those are girls' names, were playing at the park. Look, said Jill, the clouds are big and black. Oh no, said Kate. They played on the seesaw. Look, said Jill, there are rain clouds. The girls ran to the shops. We don't like the rain when we are at the park, said Kate. Let's sing Rain, Rain, Go Away. And at the bottom of the question, at the bottom of the page, I beg your pardon, we need to pick the sentences if they are correct. The first one, for example, Jill and Kate were playing at the park. Were they playing at the park, grade 2s? If they were playing, you need to put a tick in this box over here. You need to answer all of your questions. Now on page 34, you need to make sure, I have pens, not pencils, that you have red, blue, and green, okay, to answer this activity. It says we are doing the phonics sound I, O, and U, or E, A, and E. We need to circle the red things that begin with the I sound. I've done this just so you know what letter you need to circle. And then in blue, the things that begin with the O sound. And green, the things that begin with the A sound. We have some vocabulary here. And then we need to write letter I, O, or U. And then please say the words. Okay, that is your English for today. For maths today, I would like you please to take your 3D shape word maths. There are 8 shapes. I would like you to take your notebooks. Please write today's date. Write the heading 3D shapes and write each of these 3D shape names twice. I'm going to read you the shape names. We have a square-based pyramid, a tetrahedron, a cube, a triangular prism, a cone, a cylinder, a sphere, and a cuboid. Once you have written your vocabulary words in your notebook, please will you complete this 3D shape properties table. You need to cut out the shapes at the bottom, and then I would like you to please decide whether or not you think the shapes roll or not. So we have shapes that roll and shapes that don't roll. So looking at everything we learned last week and we've learned at the beginning of this week, which 3D shapes do you think will roll? And that is your lesson for today, grade 2s. If you need help with anything, please send me a message and I will always try and help you as best as I can. Otherwise, I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. I'm missing all of you. Lots of love, Teacher Jess.